Welcome to Has Academy channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to be healthy during this lockdown or pandemic period. When I was doing my training and other things before the pandemic, I used to every day do a daily walk exercise in the park or at the beach. But what really happened is during this pandemic period, because there was lockdown and nobody is allowed to go outside, I literally stopped all my exercise routine. And in 1 year of time, I actually gained 8 kgs of weight. You heard it right. And that became a big alarm for me. So I decided to take charge of my exercise routine in home. And how to do it? Let's go into the video. The remedy that I chose to keep myself healthy during this pandemic and also keep myself immune from corona was terrace walking. Yes, I chose my own terrace here to do my walking and exercise routine instead of going to park or beach outside. And that is more safe also to ensure that we are actually keeping ourselves fit during this pandemic. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what is terrace walking and the benefits of terrace walking. Terrace walking means walking in your own terrace at home and ensuring that you are actually getting connected with the nature directly more superbly. So the benefits of terrace walking includes, first thing, getting up early in the morning. It was such a big difficulty for me because I lost touch getting up in the morning and going for walking and things. So I made up my mind to get up in the morning from 5 to 6 was my time for terrace walking. And basically speaking, that was the time I was able to see the sunrise so amazingly and get the vitamin D directly from the sun. So first and foremost, you get into a routine which is more important for your body. Second, you get your vitamin D, that is very important for your body. Vitamin D is a source of ensuring your immunity and keeping yourself very strong and safe. And the third thing, most importantly, you get a lot of fresh air in the mornings. When you do the terrace walking, you get fresh air. Now is the time where a lot of people have so much of demand for oxygen. My dear viewers, oxygen is so immense in this universe and you can just inhale it how much ever you want and be thankful for it in the morning when you do the terrace walking. And most importantly, it keeps you really healthy. So how to start your terrace walking? Here is a 3-step I'm going to be sharing with you to start your terrace walking right away tomorrow. The first step is ensuring that you are telling yourself to the mind before you sleep that you need to wake up for the terrace walking, get excited about it. And second thing is start from 10 minutes or 15 minutes to the extent you can, such that, I just started from 15 minutes and now I'm walking for 1.5 hours. So you're actually speaking, your stamina gets really strong. That is about the second thing. Fix a time slot and then keep walking. And if you feel like extending, just go ahead and extend it. But have a real time slot fixed in your mind. And the third most important thing that motivated me to walk is the app. There are a lot of apps available for counting your steps. And I usually ensure that I use an app to count my steps, and at least 10,000 steps a day is where I have my target set now. I started from 4,000 steps and now reached to 10,000 steps in the morning. So one other bonus tip that I want to give to you is include your neighbor as your partner. I have included my neighbor Dr. Poorani as my partner. So morning I used to call her and she will call me if I did not call her, and that's how the partnering goes, and we have company for each other. So my dear viewers, let us start tomorrow itself and start your healthy journey during this pandemic. Keep yourself safe, keep yourself strong, and ensure that you are really healthy during this pandemic. If your weight is already less, then terrace walking can help you boost your stamina. As you keep walking, you will see that on a daily basis your stamina gets built up, and when you're going to be drinking protein drink after your exercises, it also adds for your muscles if you want to gain weight, and if you are all looking at weight loss, it also adds on weight loss, because protein has the capacity to build muscles as well as make it stronger and tight. So when whatever your body needs, it ensures that it is getting done when you do consume protein drink after your terrace walking. Terrace walking can be even more beneficial when you're walking on barefoot. When you're walking on barefoot, the magnetic energy of the earth is also getting into your body and making it even more stronger. And secondly, it also aids in weight loss. As I told, during this pandemic situation, I actually gained 8 kgs of weight, out of which in 2 months of terrace walking, I have shed out 5 kgs of weight. So this would be also ideal for maintaining your weight. Wishing you abundance of happiness and success.